everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well. Today I have Dolmio Bolognese sauce for you guys to make my jollof rice. I know everybody will say Bolognese sauce for jollof rice, it's a bit different, but trust me, it's really tasty. If you haven't tried it, please do. So the one that I have here, I have Bolognese original. Go for original. So this one hasn't got much in it, so you can seasoning, you can put all your seasonings in there, yeah. And also I have my Jasmine rice here. Yeah, I have 3 cups of Jasmine rice, and then I have 1 chicken cube. I have thyme, and I have oregano. In here I have curry powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, smoked paprika, and another teaspoon of chili pepper, and half black pepper here. And here I have mixed vegetables, and I have bell pepper, red and green, that I chop. Half of each. And then I have onion, diced onion, 1 whole onion, and I have coconut oil here to cook my rice. And here I have the main man. I have smoked turkey. I have added a bit of diced onion on it. I'm going to cook that and start my jollof with. Okay, so if you want to know how we do this, please stay tuned. So first of all, I'm going to cook my smoked turkey because it contains a lot of salt. So to reduce a bit the salt from it, I'm going to add hot water into it. About 2 cups of I have added the water into the turkey. I'm going to add also 1 teaspoon of chili powder here, yeah, because I want my turkey to be really spicy. That is optional. Cover this. So for the turkey, I'm just gonna leave it for just 10 minutes. Yeah, just 10 minutes because it's almost cooked already. So it's just, you know, to reduce the salt content. Yeah. So now it has been 10 minutes. I'm just going to dish the turkey out from the stock like that. Okay. Let's see. So I'm going to leave this stock outside and use it later. Okay. So in this pan here, yeah, I'm going to add my coconut oil. So I have 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Yeah, I'm going to leave it to melt down a bit, and then I'll go ahead and add the turkey. I'm going to add the turkey now into the oil. Then I'm going to fry it a bit, like say 5 minutes, yeah. And as you can see, I have fried my turkey a bit. Now I'm going to add the onion into it and stir. It smells so good. And also adding the pepper. I'm going to add the pepper, paprika, black pepper, and the curry powder all at the same time. And also the thyme and the oregano, and mix them together. This sauce doesn't take long to do. It's very, very simple, quick and easy. See, I know a lot of people don't like when it comes to jollof rice using different things, but trust me, this one, go for it. It's so good. Everyone should try. So now this is seasoning nicely. Yep. I'm going to add my bolognese, my Dolmio Bolognese sauce into my turkey seasoning and all that. That's it. So if you're doing a lot of rice, you can use 2 of these, but for me, I'm just doing a little bit, so I'm using 1 today. Okay, so I'm going to rinse this a bit and put the water back. That's it. It smells so beautiful. And you remember my sauce, my stock earlier? That's my stock here. Yeah, I'm going to add a bit into it. That much. And then I'm going to leave it for about 10 minutes. And then we can add the rice. So I have a half of teaspoon of salt, and then 1 jumbo chicken stock into it as well to give us a nice flavor. Yeah, and that's it. And then I'll mix it a bit. Okay, for the seasoning to go everywhere. Please do taste and make sure that the salt is okay for you. Yeah, if it's not, just add a tiny bit, not too much, because the turkey does contain a lot of salt. It's not turkey. Right, so I'm going to leave it for about 10 minutes. Okay, so now you're going to check the stew. Oh wow, look at that, beautiful. It has been 10 minutes. I'm going to stir this. Okay, let's see. So now I'm going to add the rice. So I have washed my rice there. Okay. On the side. To stir and make sure it goes everywhere. The stew goes everywhere. Okay. And I have checked for the salt as well. It's okay. So now I'm going to cover the rice and leave it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, so the rice been on for 10 minutes now, so I'm going to stir. Okay, this cooking still. So I'm going to stir this and cover the rice and leave it for the rest of 15 minutes to cook. So after 20 minutes, this is how the jollof look like. Now I'm going to add my green pepper. Yeah, bell pepper and mixed pepper, mixed vegetables, sorry. I'm going to stir. And I'm going to cover this for another 3 minutes and it'll be ready. Yeah, so at this point our jollof is ready. Look at that. Beautiful. You won't think the bolognese sauce will do this, but it does. Very, very nice and nice color as well. Yeah. So please do try. Comment and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And we'll see you soon. Bye.